All right, buddy. You want to open your present from Aunt Paula? Mr. What's in there? That's what he was just saying. Disney cars. Oh, don't dump it. You might break it. Just pull it out, buddy.
Can you, Daddy? Can you put this out? Can you?
You need help?
Let's play with this.
Oh, those are socks, buddy. Do you like it?
Oh, wow. Let's open this. Oh, let's open this. Let's open this.
Do you want me to help you open it?
Yeah. There's a different...
Oh, can you hand it to me?
It has some toys in it.
Yeah, it does. Wow.
It's a super...
This is the Piston Cup Race. These are Legos, so we have to put it together.
Can you open it?
Yep.
What?
Oh, hold on, I need some scissors. Let me go get some scissors. Wait, right there.